Meaning of how to.
How to.
How to.
How to.
How to. How to refers to instructions or a guide on how to do something. It typically provides step-by-step directions on how to perform a specific task or achieve a particular result. How-to guides can cover a wide range of topics, from cooking recipes and DIY projects to professional skills like coding and marketing. The primary goal of a how-to guide is to make the process easy to understand and follow for the reader, enabling them to successfully complete the task at hand. Overall, how-to guides are a useful resource for anyone looking to learn something new or tackle a specific project.